Hello everyone, I'm Alfian and today we are going to solve the HackerRank challenge on the data structure section called the tree Postorder Traversal. And for this particular challenge, complete Postorder function in the editor below it receives only one parameter, which is the root in the form of node, and a pointer to the root of the binary tree. It must print the values in the tree Postorder Traversal as a single line of space separated values. For the input format right here, our test code passes the root node of a binary tree to the postorder function, and output print the tree's postorder traversal as a single line space separated values. We can use the System.out.printf, and we are formatting the printing format with the space separated statement, and we need to print this from the back of from the tree node arrangement. And as you notice that it is printing from the bottom of the tree, top three branch, and it is always starting from the left, and then the right part is taking the priority after the left part, and then it goes up to the root node, which is root node 1 right here. Okay, so without further ado, let's solve this out by creating another postorder calling postorder function with the root dot left. Since the root right here, we have the left property, and we can use this as our recursion call with the postorder called the postorder inside of the postorder function. And we are starting from the bottom of the left, and for the next one, the right one takes the letter priority after the left one. We can use the postorder with the root dot right, that is the parameter. And finally, we can use the System.out.printf, and then using the double colon signs with the comma, and then the comma we can fill this after the first parameter, which is second parameter called the root dot data as the parameter. And for the first parameter, we can insert the formatting option with the percentage and then d with the space separated from this request right here. And for the first one, we need to handle edge case if the root is equals to null using the double equal sign. If it is, then we can simply not printing anything and processing the later part of the code segment, and we can just return statement to prevent anything from printing if it is null. And we can just run this, and the main difference is we execute everything from the left first, and then everything from the right first, and then starting from the bottom. So that is the neat use of the recursion call. And we are printing from the bottom left, and then the bottom right, and then goes up to the parent side, and then up to the point to the root side. So let's run our code to see if it works. And congratulations, how about we submit this? Are we going to solve all of the test cases? Okay, looks like it is. Okay, so that's about it. I hope you understand my explanation. If you still don't understand, you can ask me in the comment section, or if you have any better solutions regarding this challenge, tell us what you think in the comment section. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.